In today's video, I'm going to show you how to autofill your formulas using your Google Sheets app on your iPhone. So I already have my example dataset open right here. And at the end column, we have the average revenue per days of operation. And to see the formula that I've used to compute for this one, I'm just going to tap on this. There we have it. And we have the formula at the bottom. So what I did would be to divide the revenue by the days operated. That's B3 divided by C3. And for me to autofill the rest of my data right here, what I'm going to do would be to just select that cell and drag it down like so. There you have it. And just tap on that space until you see these options where it will say cut, copy, autofill, and clear. So of course, we're just going to select autofill right there. If you tap on it, there you have it. It has copied the same formula at the top to the rest of the selected data right below it. And there you have it. So let's try that again. I'm just going to undo it. There you go. So make sure to select the cell where the formula is. Then just select the rest like so. There you have it. So what I did was just to tap and then drag down. Then tap on it again and select autofill right here. And there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to autofill your formulas in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.